file server. For sharing a Raspberry Pi directory with other computers on a local network, one first needs to update the system and install Samba with the commands on the terminal as shown here. After successful installation, one now needs to create a shared directory within individual username directory. Usernames are in green command prompts on the terminal. Using the username, the said shared directory is created as shown. Thereafter, first make a backup file for the original Samba configuration file, and then move on to edit the configuration file as per one's requirement. The process is shown in detail in this video. For editing the Samba configuration file, get to the bottom of the file by pressing down arrow key and add the lines as shown here. Thereafter, save the edited file by pressing Ctrl+O followed by Enter. To exit, press Ctrl+X. Now start the Samba service the way is shown. Thereafter, minimize the virtual machine and move on to Windows for setting up connection. Now for making connection with Windows computer on local network. One needs to go to Control Panel to Programs to turn Windows feature on or off to select SMB 1.0/CIFS client and press OK. Restart the computer on being prompted for new features. Now find Linux to have added under Network on the sidebar of File Explorer. One can easily connect by using network credentials. If this video is found to be useful, please like and subscribe.